Hey guys, in this video, we are going to show you how to turn off subscription on TikTok. Sometimes, TikTok subscriptions automatically renew, and you may want to turn them off to avoid being charged again. Fortunately, TikTok allows you to cancel these subscriptions directly through their support chat. First, open the TikTok app on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into the account that has the subscription. Then, tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen to open your profile page. Next, tap on the three lines in the top right corner to open the menu with all account options. From the menu, tap on Settings and Privacy to access all the settings for your account. Scroll down and tap on Support, then select Chat with Us. This opens a chat window where you can communicate directly with TikTok's support team. In the chat, type a message such as, "How can I cancel an auto-renewal subscription?" Be sure to include details like your account name or the subscription name if needed. Then, send the message. TikTok support will respond with instructions to help you turn off your subscription and stop any future payments. Following these steps ensures that your subscription will not renew automatically, saving you from unwanted charges. Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you got some value. See you in the next one.